Guys, I am so excited to share with you what I would consider the quintessential Etobicoke family home. This 2-story brick detached home is perfectly located in the quiet yet convenient Bloordale gardens with quick access to nature and everything your family needs. And inside, well, let's take a look, shall we? This impeccably maintained and updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with garage will charm even the most discerning buyer with its 3 levels of spacious living for your growing family. A welcoming front entrance with separate foyer opens up to a sunny main floor with large windows and hardwood floors throughout. Combined living and dining rooms offer great flow for entertaining. The newly renovated galley-style kitchen is sure to inspire some delicious culinary delights with its stainless steel gas stove and appliances, granite counters, under-mounted double sink, butcher block prep station, and plenty of cabinetry. Upstairs you'll find 3 bright bedrooms, including the huge primary bedroom with his and hers closets. Downstairs, a large rec room with high ceilings, pot lights throughout, and wall-to-wall storage offers a great hangout spot for the family. You'll also find a newly renovated powder room and a spacious laundry room with gas dryer and tons of storage. Outside, you'll be hosting serene summer soirees in your private backyard with a large patio perfect for al fresco dining and a treed green space with a fire pit to enjoy an enchanted evening with friends. Steps from great schools, restaurants and shopping on Bloor, with buses taking you to nearby Kipling subway station and Sherway Gardens Mall. We're right off the 427, making work commutes or getting away for the weekend easy peasy. But my favorite part about living here has to be how green it is. There are parks and trails everywhere. I'm here at Centennial Park, the largest outdoor activity center in all of Toronto. They've got a golf course, they've got playgrounds, baseball diamonds, an arena, an activity center. It is unmatched for outdoor space in Toronto. You would be hard-pressed to find a more convenient location for your family to live in all of Etobicoke than 4 Mayland Avenue. With summer on the way, it is the perfect time for you to move in and enjoy this beautiful oasis in the city. So book your showing today and start living your best life.